Krakow and the world. My name is Andy. I have a YouTube channel where I teach Solana stuff, and I want to teach you something today. But I want to start out with a question. Who of you owns Solana NFTs? Put your hands up. Yeah, I would say that's pretty much everybody. Now, who of you has some of those NFTs that have just become worthless? Yeah? Well, you're wrong. None of the NFTs on Solana are really worthless. They have some value from the rent that lives on all of their accounts. And you can recover that rent by burning those NFTs. So here at the Hackerhouse, I have developed a thing, the NFT burner, which allows you to easily just burn Solana NFTs. All you gotta do is connect your wallet, say yes, we want to actually connect, and then it loads up this screen. Now, disclaimer, this process is irreversible. So once you burn an NFT, there's no way of getting it back. But we can see here in my wallet that I connected, I have a few NFTs. For instance, that burn me 3. I could select this one, and then I go to burn selection. That will push out a transaction that I then have to sign. And we can already see in the simulation, if I sign this transaction, I will get 0.01 Sol back. And that is the minimum worth of all of your NFTs. Right? So if you have a bunch of NFTs that you don't need anymore, you can just burn them all and recover that Sol. If I approve, and we can also look here, essentially this is just an instruction with the token metadata program, the burn NFT instruction. So if I approve that, it says, yes, successfully burned Sol. And if I then look in my wallet, I had $1 before, and if I then look in there, I have now $1.44. So those 40 cents I recovered from this NFT. So that's quite cool, right? And in code, if you want to have a look at this, the source code all on GitHub if you're interested, is essentially just this create burn NFT instruction that you then put into a transaction and you send that out. I'm not going to go too deep into this. I want to show you what else you can do with this tool, because of course I need to log in again. Because, oh, by the way, I do take donations if you want, but you can set them to 0, right? You don't need to donate any of that. You can claim it all back, because I want you to have the choice, not like any other platforms. But anyway, so we have NFTs here. NFTs you can reclaim 0.01 Sol, but then you might, so when might you use that? Well, if you use the test collection, or when you got sent an NFT, or it's a rug pull NFT, or it has become worthless for other reasons, you might want to burn it. Or we sometimes get those NFTs just as spam. For instance, this official Solana NFT, which is neither official nor is it an NFT. It is on Solana, they got that right. But this, we can only reclaim 0.002 because it's not an actual NFT with the metadata account. It's just a regular SBL token. But we can also select that and burn the one token and then at least claim the token account fee back. Also, as with the fee redeemer, if we have empty token accounts, we can also do this with this tool. So I can select as many things as I want and then perform the burn. This will now all work in one transaction, giving me another 0.015 Sol. If I approve that, I should get another 50 cents into my wallet, and voila, I'm rich. Speaking of rich, the guy who owns trash.sol, he got somewhat rich because he got 300 Sol worth of NFTs burned. Now, you don't need to send your NFTs to trash.sol for him to recover that. You can do it yourself with this tool. And I have all the relevant links hidden behind the link tree, hidden inside this QR code. So take this, try it out, use a burner wallet to do so, and let me know if you have any feedback for me. Yes, I think this is everything that I wanted to say. Are there any questions? I have 1.5 more minutes. No, you're all good? Cool. Then test out the tool, and I'll see you online and at the party. Cheers.